Documentation and presentation. Presentation board. A presentation board is used by an interior designer to show their clients their ideas for whichever space they have designed or redesigned according to requirement. It is also sometimes referred to as mood board. It gives an oversight on how the project would finally look when it is handed over to the client. Concept. An interior design concept is the central theme that all the design elements are focused upon. It exists as an idea first and is brought to reality through careful planning. It is a visual theme that evokes a specific mood by strategically using colors, spaces, and style in tandem. Furniture layout. Furniture layout in a space explains the placement of furnitures in a room and their proximity with each other. They are usually planned out in reference to maybe window openings, vastu, etc. Color. Warm tones like red, orange, and yellow can energize a space and its occupants. Cool tones such as blue, green, and purple generally create quiet, relaxing atmosphere. If the room is small and the amount of natural light is limited, light colors are the way to go. If the room is large, darker colors will create a cozy, comfortable environment. Mood board. A mood board is a visual representation of ideas for a design project. The purpose of a mood board is to help explore ideas and figure out the general style, mood, color, and overall feel of a room or a project space. It can include just about anything: photography, design or illustrations, color palettes, textures, descriptive words, anything that helps you define the direction of your project. Lighting. Good lighting changes and transforms a space. We use light and shade to make a room feel comfortable, but also dramatic and atmospheric. Interior designers and lighting designers will monitor how daylight enters each space they work on. It will affect where everything is positioned. It is as important as artificial light. Reflected ceilings. The reflective ceiling draws the city into the home in the most intimate way, interacting with every moment. Glossy surfaces stretch this view far into depths of the home to maximize its effect on the interior. Importance of a client brief. A design brief is a written document outlining a design project's aim, objectives, and milestones. It is a crucial part of the design process as it helps develop trust and understanding between the client and the designer. It is as important as contract and serves as an essential point of reference for both the parties.